What's up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over how to make undetectable AI content on sites like originality.ai and GPT-0 and hopefully Google, so that you can potentially rank better and not get de-indexed in the future if there's any algorithm updates that penalizes AI content. So here's a few pieces that I recently wrote with the tool that I made. Every article starts with like a 2 or 3 paragraph intro, table of contents, and then H2s, H3s, and like pretty readable content, like not anything too difficult to read through. There's like a lot of H3s and H2s separating the content, and then also sometimes there's unordered lists and ordered lists, and even tables, because GPT-4 can make tables. So we're using GPT-4 on the final steps. So you can get some tables in here. I'm trying to make more use of tables and bold and stuff like that to make them even more interesting and stuff like that. So as you can see, this is a really long article. It's around 4,500 words long, and I just made it with one command, and then like about 30 seconds of editing afterwards. And if you want to check out the originality score, it's 100% original on originality.ai, the first 3,000 words at least, and then 0% probability this text was written by an AI, so 100% on GPT-0 as well, with the first 5,000 characters, because it only goes up to 5,000 characters. And yeah, so this is the command. If you want to know more, just go check out the GitHub repository. But yeah, so once I start it here, what it's going to do is pretty much, here I have an explanation of what it's doing. So to start off, it's first it takes the keyword, the specific keyword. So in this case that I just ran it, I think it's running on fixed wing drones, because that's basically what it searched. So fixed wing drones, and then finds the first non-Amazon search result. And then, as you can see in a minute, it'll use Harper AI to find LSI keywords. Now this is all using Selenium, which is basically just like an automated browser experience that you can just click on anything, like do different things, like open extensions and things like that. So now you can see it opened harper.ai, and then it's going to input my API key, going to find the LSI keywords, and then it's going to copy the list of LSI keywords table. Okay, so it looks like it's working properly here. It comes out with a table. Fixed wing drone 5%, mapping projects 2.5%, drone technology, all these other keywords. So the app's going to take into account those keywords. Now the second thing that the app does is it scrapes top 10, top 7 to 10 organic search results and summarizes them. So it'll basically like make a 600 word summary, and you'll see it here, processing URL 1 of 9, 600 word summary each. So let's say 600 times 10 would be 6,000 words. So basically it has 6,000 words of like high density information on your specific keyword. So it takes that, and then number 3 is, let me just quickly check so that I get this right. Yeah, so basically it'll make headings. Headings, like I think I have it set to 13 to 20 headings based on these 6,000 words of summaries. So ideally it will have headings that span the whole course of the 6,000 words, so you can use all 6,000 words to fill out the outline, which is 13 to 20 headings. And then it'll make like title, slug, featured image, through Unsplash. So it'll basically search the topic in Unsplash and get a featured image. So then basically then it'll start making the intro. And the intro will be like, I think I have it set to around 200 words, 3-4 paragraphs, so like 50 words each. Then it'll fill out the headings. So this is all using GPT 3.5. So it'll do this, and then once it has the entire article, the base article, it'll be like 3,000 to 4,000 words usually, and then it will basically just run everything through GPT-4. And this is where the magic is, because if you just took the base article, then the base article will get like an originality score of like 97% written by AI and stuff like that. But that's where I use this special prompt that I got by asking, what is a way that you can make AI content undetectable. So it basically starts as like, do not start until I give you the blog section in the section prompt. Use the following to rewrite the blog section. I will give you the next prompt. Put it in a code block, and then I basically ask it, do you understand? Answer yes or no. So then I continue with most of the prompt here. So add in H3 tags, and then down here is the original prompt that I got from ChatGPT. And this was just saying like conversational tone, use of pronouns, variable sentence length, include personal anecdotes, ask questions, imperfect grammar, contradictions, varied vocabulary, direct edit, revise, directly address the reader. And then at the bottom I add in the LSI keyword table to also use for the rewrite. So it's really cool how it's actually going to be uses ChatGPT or GPT-4, while Selenium again.
Two oceans in between